In this video, I'll show you how to install the No Intro Logos mod in GTA 4. So the game skips startup logos and loads right into the menu. Check my video description for this mod link. Select the download option and wait for 30 seconds and then select the download now option and it will start downloading. Right click on the zip and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Close tab here. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Before doing this mod, go back, copy where GTA 4 game folder, paste it in same location, rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the GTA 4 folder, common, data, and drag and drop this loading screen PC, replace file in the destination. Now close tab here and launch the game. And as you can see, we get straight into the game. You can start the game too quick now. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.